Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use the color of black. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. And the next one is 2. Kids, now we draw the number of 3. We again use the color of black. The number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. And the next one is 6. We again use the color of black. The next one is 7. Now we draw the number of 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw the number of 9. The next one is 10. Now we use the color of blue and draw 11. Now we use the color of blue. The number of 11. Kids, the next one is 12. Now we draw the number of 13. Blue color. The next one is 14. The next one is 15. Kids, the next one is 16, and we again use the color of blue. Now we draw 17. The next one is 18. Now we draw 19. The last one is 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.